Today we're going to find out what it takes to be a firefighter. Let's go inside. Firefighter Captain Ken Wooldridge loves coming to work every day.
I really enjoy coming to work. A lot of people don't like coming to work, but I really look forward, even though I'm away from my family for 24 hours, I really look forward to coming to work because it's always something different.